So the question at hand that I've been asked is the combustibility of this foam that we used on the star ceiling. So I figured today we're gonna at least just see how flammable it is with a big lighter, basically. Now this side has the glue that has been sprayed on. This is actually a little bit different glue than we used. We tested, but as you can tell, that glue actually ate through and started eating away the foam. But the glue, the Super 77, doesn't do that. We're gonna actually test both sides and just see how flammable they are. Of course, I'm outside, so hopefully you don't have to worry about catching the house on fire. But yeah, let's just see what happens when a lighter gets a hold of it. So, not sure if you can tell. We're gonna zoom this baby in, but it basically is just kind of extinguishing itself to an extent. I mean, so here I have it going, and it is just pretty much extinguishing itself out. I mean, it's melting, don't get me wrong. I mean, it's burning there, but it's not really, it's not really doing much. I mean, it's burning right there, but that's it. I mean, I take it off and it's nothing more than burnt stuff. Now let's try this side here. This is a sample side that we did some stuff on. And this has that Super 77 right in here. But as you can tell, I mean, aside from me literally holding the lighter to it with the flame going, nothing much is happening. I mean, yeah, it burns away for a minute, but, that's it. I mean, it's already cooled off to the touch at this point. I mean, I can actually touch where I just burned at. So, I wouldn't worry. This is the pink foam, which I believe came from Home Depot. I'm sure the green stuff that Lowe's has is basically the same, other than a color additive. But, I mean, if this thing catches on fire, it's not going to be from the heat source of the lights, but, it may catch on fire from the house being on fire, but at that point, it really doesn't matter. So, I'm not terribly worried about this stuff. It's not like it's super flammable. At least it seems to be. It seems like it kind of self-extinguishes. So, yeah, just for those asking.